Hey there, welcome. Let's start today's session by finding a comfortable position. Whether you're seated at your desk at work or laying on the couch at home, as long as you're comfortable. Rest your hands where they feel natural, and in your own time, gently close your eyes. Shift all of your attention onto your breathing, taking slower, deeper breaths. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly letting it out through your mouth. And just repeat that pattern a few more times. Feeling your breath flow in and out of your body. Feeling your belly rise and fall with each breath. Allowing any tensions you're holding to just melt away. Allowing your body to feel light. Giving yourself permission to relax, to slow down. Allow your breath to feel natural and easy. Don't try to force the breath or regulate it in any way. Just allow it to flow naturally on its own. You may notice that your mind starts to wander off. That's okay. That's natural. Don't try to ignore your thoughts or pretend they're not there. Instead, just notice the thought. Then bring your attention back to your body, focusing on your breath, using your breath as your anchor. Imagine a wave of calm, light, and happiness entering your body with each big breath in. And with each exhale, feel the tension, the negativity leaving your body, making you feel lighter, more relaxed with every breath. Let that sense of ease soak in. Let that feeling fill you up for a moment. And allow yourself to smile if that feels natural. Let's take a couple more deep breaths together. Breathing in through your nose and gently releasing that breath through your mouth. again, this time with even deeper breaths than you've taken all day so far. Try counting in your mind on each inhale from 1 to 10. And as we near the end of this session, just relax your attention. Wiggle your toes and fingers. And in your own time, gently open your eyes, bringing your attention back to the room. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Please subscribe and like this video to support the channel,